Brand name tips. How to know if your brand name is already taken. My name is Leon Jones Jr., and I am the managing attorney here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group. And as a business attorney, this is an important discussion I've had with many of my clients on the most foundational decisions you'll make when building a business or launching a product, choosing a brand name. But more critically, how do you know if that brand name is available? So I'm going to walk you through the practical, legal, and strategic steps to verify the availability of a brand name and what to do if you find out your ideal name is already taken. As we dive into the how, first let's talk about the why. Why is checking for brand name availability so critical? Number one, legal risk. If you start using a name that's already trademarked, you could face lawsuits, cease and desist letters, and be forced to rebrand, which is not only expensive, but also damages customer trust. Number two, brand confusion. If another brand or business operates under that same or similar name, your customers may get confused, which hurts your visibility and your reputation. Number three, digital real estate. You may find the perfect name only to discover the domain, social handles, and app store listings are already taken. Doing your due diligence up front prevents setbacks down the road. So what should you do? First, brainstorm with trademark filters in mind. Start by brainstorming your ideal brand names, but don't get too attached just yet. Here are some early filters to apply. Avoid common words or phrases that are already widely used in the industry. Aim for uniqueness. Apple works because it is arbitrary in the tech space. Consider phonetics. Names that sound like existing brands may still get flagged legally. And use online resources. Name check or Norm to check name availability across major platforms. Bust a name or Panoply generate name ideas that aren't obvious clones. Think creatively, but also pragmatically. Step two, check for domain name availability. The next step is to see if the .com domain is already available, and ideally also the .org, the .net, and relevant country extensions. Use tools like GoDaddy, Namecheap. If your perfect domain is taken, see if it's parked, meaning unused by the owner. Consider alternatives. Get creativebrand.com or brandname.io if needed. But remember, domain availability is not trademark availability. And step three, search social media handles. Today's brands live online. After domains checks, go directly to major platforms: Instagram, Twitter or X, LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook. Search your desired brand name to see, is the handle taken? Is it active or dormant? Does the existing profile relate to your industry? Having a unified handle across platforms adds professionalism and makes it easier for your customers to find you. Step four, perform a trademark search. Now comes the legal backbone of this entire process: trademark checking. In the U.S., use the USPTO's TESS database, which is the Trademark Electronic Search System. Search for both exact matches and phonetically similar marks in your industry. Pay attention to the class of goods and services called international classes. Your status, is it live or dead trademarks, and the owner's information. If you're outside the U.S., use your country's national trademark database or consult the WIPO Global Brand Database for international searches. Even if a name isn't registered, common law trademarks can still be enforced. That's why this next step is critical. Google it, and then Google it more. Search Google for your name ideas in various combinations: brand name plus your industry, brand name plus LLC or INC, brand name plus review or comments. Check not just first page, but go deeper. Pages 2, 3, 4, 5 can reveal small businesses or blogs using the name you want. This step helps you discover common law use, unregistered businesses with web presence, negative associations you may want to avoid. And step 6, search business registries. Next, check if someone has legally registered the name with your local government. In the U.S., each state businesses name search portals, such as the Secretary of State's websites, provide free access. Even if it's not trademarked federally, a name might be registered as an LLC, a corporation, or DBA, which means doing business as. This could pose a conflict, especially if you're operating in the same state or region. Step 7, work with a legal professional. Make sure that if you need the help, get the help. Your business depends on your name, and most do. It's worth running your final candidate by a trademark attorney. They'll conduct comprehensive clearance searches, advise on the likelihood of registration, and even handle your USPTO or relevant office filings. This ensures the name is not just available, but you're protected. So what happens if you find your ideal name is already taken? Rebrand early. Number 1, don't wait until you've built momentum. Number 2, modify your name. Add a prefix, add a suffix, translate it into another language. Use a compound name. Number 3, negotiate to acquire. Sometimes domains and trademarks are bought, but this involves legal counsel and significant costs. Whatever you do, don't forge ahead with a taken name. The risks are far too great and they outweigh the benefits. I realize I've given you a lot in a short amount of time, but before I close, here are some final tools and resources to remember. USPTO.gov for U.S. trademarks, namecheck.com, noam.com for social handles, instant domain search for quick domain checks, WIPO.int for international trademark information, Google Alerts to monitor your chosen name over time. Choosing the right name is only the first half of the battle. Making sure it's truly available and protectable is what sets professionals apart from amateurs. Take the time, do your research, protect your brand early. Your future self and your customers will thank you. Give us a call here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group right now and let us help you protect your brand and your future.